What happens when you spend just 20 cents and think, that's basically nothing? Then you do it again tomorrow and the next day. Without even noticing, your money starts quietly leaking away. But here's the crazy part. The second you start tracking it, everything changes. Those tiny daily expenses suddenly turn into real savings.
Now imagine turning ideas like this into fully animated 2D videos, with perfectly consistent characters in every single scene, using completely free AI tools. That's exactly what I'm breaking down in this video. In just a few minutes, you'll see the full process I used to create this entire animation without spending $1. And more importantly, I'll show you the one thing most beginners completely mess up: character consistency. Look at this. Same character every scene. No weird changes, no random face swaps. That's the difference between videos that feel professional and videos that instantly look amateur. But after this video, you're not making that mistake again. So real quick, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT. And if you use Google Gemini, that works too. Now we're heading over to our prompt document inside Google Docs. This right here is the master prompt. It took a lot of work to build, but once you have it, you can create videos in basically any niche. Watch this. Right now it says science, but you can replace that with anything: health, money, education, psychology, horror, whatever type of video you want to make. Just plug your niche in right here. Once that's done, copy the entire prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and run it. Now look what happens. ChatGPT instantly generates 10 video ideas based on your niche. All you have to do is pick one. Let's say we choose this one. What happens when you sit all day without moving? We'll type in number 4 and run it. And just like that, we get the full voiceover script, animation prompts, image prompts, scene descriptions, and even the character design description. This is where it gets interesting. Before generating anything else, we're going to create the character first, because if you don't lock in your character early, your scenes won't stay consistent. For this, we'll use Google Flow AI. Open a new tab and search for Google Flow AI. Once the site opens, log in and click Create with Flow, then hit New Project. Before generating images, we need a few settings first. Right here, switch to image mode instead of video mode. Then choose your aspect ratio. After that, select how many images you want generated at once. I'm choosing 2. And for the model, we'll use Nano Banana 2 since it's the newest version. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your character description prompt, paste it into Flow, and run it. Boom, and your character is generated. And if you don't like the result, no problem. Just regenerate until the character actually feels right. This one looks good, so we're keeping it. Now here's the important part. To maintain character consistency, drag that character image directly into the project first. Now head back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and run it. Watch this. Flow AI keeps the exact same character while generating brand new scenes around it. That's the secret. You can literally see it. Same character, same style, different environment. And by the way, if you only want one image instead of 2, just change the quantity setting right here. I'm deleting the extra version so the AI always references the same main character moving forward. Now we'll repeat the process for scene 2. Copy the next image prompt, paste it into Flow, and most importantly, add your character image again. Don't skip this step. If you forget to include the character reference image, your consistency is gone instantly. Run it. And there it is. Scene 2 generated perfectly with the same character again. Now just repeat this process for every single scene, and once you're done, you'll have a full set of consistent images ready for animation. Now let's turn those images into actual videos. You can do this directly inside Flow AI too. Just drag your image in, switch from image mode to video mode, choose your aspect ratio, and set how many videos you want generated. I'm selecting 1. Now here's the catch. Each video generation costs 20 credits. If you don't have the Google Gemini Pro plan, you'll still get free starter credits when you sign up, plus daily credits every day. So if you do have the Pro plan, you can generate everything directly inside Flow AI. But if you don't worry. I'll show you a completely free method too. First, let's generate one scene inside Flow. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and run it. And there it is. The image is now fully animated. Look at the quality on this. It honestly looks way better than you'd expect. To download it, just click Download and export it. Now, while that's rendering, let's move to the free method. Open a new tab and search for Meta AI. Once the site opens, sign in and head to the Create section. Now click the plus icon to upload your scene image. But first, we need to download our images from Flow. Click the image, hit download, and save it in 2 kilobits quality. Do this for every scene image. Then go back to Meta AI, upload your first scene image, copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and click Animate. And in just a few seconds, the image becomes a full video clip. Check this out. The quality here is seriously impressive too. Now just download the video, upload your second scene image, paste the next animation prompt, and repeat the process for every scene. Once all your scenes are animated, download every clip to your gallery. Now we have the visuals done. Next comes the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and return to the Google Docs file. At the bottom, you'll find a separate voiceover prompt. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT. Right now, the script is broken down scene by scene, but this prompt combines everything into a single flow. Run it! And now the full voiceover script is ready. For the AI voice, we'll use ElevenLabs.ai. Open a new tab, search ElevenLabs.ai, and open the first website. Then go to text-to-speech. Paste your full script into the text box. Now choose your voice. You can preview different voices right here until you find one that fits your video style. Once you're happy with it, click Generate Speech. And just like that, your full AI voiceover is ready. You can preview it here. If the voice sounds good, download it. Now we have everything, the voiceover and the animated scenes. So let's build the final video. I'm using CapCut, but honestly, any editor works. Import your voiceover and all your video clips. First, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. Then place each scene in order underneath it. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Now, you'll probably notice something. The voiceover is longer than the video clips. Easy fix. First, remove the silent gaps between audio sections. Then, if the clips are still too short, slightly reduce the speed of your videos. That stretches each clip naturally, so the visuals match the narration length perfectly. Just repeat that for every scene until the audio and visuals line up smoothly. Then preview the full video once to fine-tune timing scene by scene. Now add transitions between clips. I'm using simple mixed transitions here, but you can use whatever fits your style. You can also add background music and sound effects to make the video feel more cinematic. And once everything looks good, export the final video. Now check out the final result.
What happens when you sit all day without moving? It starts off feeling completely normal, but as hours pass, your body begins to slow down, even if you don't notice it. You feel tired, low on energy, and suddenly, coffee becomes your best friend. Then when you finally stand up, your body feels stiff and uncomfortable. Your focus drops, your mind drifts, and getting work done feels harder than ever. But just a little movement can change everything. Stand up, stretch, and feel alive again.
And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next AI tutorial.